Welcome back to the Miss Dig 2023 annual meeting. I am here with my cousin, of course, Brenda Johnson. I'm Jeff Johnson. You know how I go. So I am here asking people questions about Miss Dig 811, and I want to ask you, what makes Miss Dig 811 important to the community?
I work for Consumers Energy and I work in damage claims. And my team sees damages all day long. And so what 811 does is before you dig, you call 811. It actually gives them an opportunity to staking to come out, stake the facilities, and be able to know where the facilities is before they start digging.
What number do you dial to reach Miss Dig 811?
811 all day long.
Thank you so much. You have a good day.
Thank you.